Hey everybody, this is Eric Fox Travel Videos. I'm here in Izmir, Turkey, and I'm going to take you down this market street. It's kind of a crazy place, and it's pretty crowded, but it's pretty cool. I'll take you down. Bye everybody. Okay, so this is one of the marketplaces, I guess, and it's a rainy day, and you can see people have got umbrellas and mushrooms.
Evet, mushroom.
Mushroom. And it's interesting because the cauliflowers are twice the size as Americans, but the bell peppers are twice as small. I'll have to show you that if I can't. Oops. And you really got to watch your step around here because it certainly gets crazy. So I'm trying to watch my step and not watch the... Like there's some of the cauliflowers are really small. See how big those ones are? Those are enormous. Like look at those. I mean those are enormous. Look how big they are. That's huge. And the same thing with the cabbage. Crazy. Whoa, water running. The tomatoes look wonderful. €6 for I think it's for a pound or a kilo or something. So but like here are their bell peppers. Like tiny little things. She rolls it up right there and cooks it on that thing. The oranges look wonderful, and this goes on for, I'd probably say, a half mile, and then it goes up and down the side streets as well. And olives, Jesus. Wow. All right. I jumped the puddles, and it's just running down my face. Let's see if I can beat this lady. Oh. All right, thank you. And none of them understand English, which is interesting. Oh. Bread. Amazing. Hello, marhaba. It still goes on, and it'll turn up here on the corner, and it keeps on going. We haven't even gotten to the fish yet. Oh. I don't even know what some of this stuff is. And cheese. Oh. Cats and fish.
Taze balık kavga.
Merhaba.
Canlı fish.
Fish.
Fishler canlı fish.
Lots of fish. Anyway, I just wanted to show you what it looks like here on a rainy Monday. And I'm gonna go. Bye everybody.